Hello. How are you today? I hope you are feeling good. Today, I have something very special for you. Something that will change your English speaking forever. Do you know why many people feel nervous to speak English? I will tell you it is fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of being judged. Fear of saying the wrong word. But here's the good news, you can speak English without fear. And today, I will show you how step by step. Are you ready? Let's start. My name is Annam. And in this video, we will practice slow English speaking. This is for beginners, A1 and A2 learners. We will not use hard grammar words. No complicated rules. Just easy, simple English. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident. You will feel ready to speak English in real life. And we will practice together. I will speak. You will speak. Repeat after me. Are you ready? Imagine this. You are in a shop. You want to buy something, but you are afraid to speak. You stay quiet. You feel nervous. Now, imagine this. You speak English slowly. You say your words clearly. And the shopkeeper smiles. You feel proud. Yes, this can be you. Speaking English without fear. And here's the secret. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The first step to speaking English without fear is to understand your fear. Most beginners feel nervous.
Why?
Because you think you will make mistakes, or people will laugh, or you will say the wrong word. But let me ask you, who cares about small mistakes? Nobody. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers. Here is a little exercise. I want you to think of one situation where you were afraid to speak English. Did you stay quiet? Did you feel nervous? Good. Now imagine. You try again slowly. You speak one word at a time.
See?
That is the first step. Understanding your fear. You see it. You accept it. And then you can start practicing without fear. Step 1. Understand your fear. Step 2. Practice slowly. Now, let's start the most important part, slow speaking practice. We will start with very simple sentences. I will say the sentence. You repeat after me. Slowly. Sentence 1. I am happy today. Sentence 2. I like to drink water. Sentence 3. I want to speak English.
See?
It is very simple. You speak one word at a time.
No rules.
No fear. Now, let's try a mini conversation. I will ask. You answer. What is your name? Your answer. My name is Where are you from? Answer. I am from. Good. You are speaking English slowly. And that is perfect. Now, some daily life sentences. Repeat after me slowly. I am hungry. I want to go to the market. Can you help me? I like this.
You see?
Slowly speaking makes English easy and simple. Another tip is use short words and simple sentences. Sometimes beginners try to speak very long sentences, and that is scary. Instead, say short sentences. One idea at a time. One sentence at a time. For example, instead of, I am feeling very, very hungry right now, and I want to eat something fast. Say, I am hungry. I want to eat. Much XD, right? Try it with MV. Repeat these short sentences. I am tired. I am happy. I am learning English. I want water.
See?
Short sentences are easy and safe. Now, let's talk about real-life situations. This is important. You can practice English at home, in your shop, or on the street. Anywhere. For example, in a shop. You. Hello. Shopkeeper. Hello. How are you? You. I am fine. Thank you. And you. Or in a restaurant. You. I want water, please. Waiter. Yes, of course.
See?
Easy. slowly, step by step. Another tip: practice with friends. Ask simple questions. What is your name? Where are you from? Do you like this food? Real situations help you speak confidently. Here is a secret tip: breathe. Yes, many beginners speak too fast, and then they get nervous. Step 1. Take a slow breath before speaking. Step 2. Speak one word at a time. Step 3. Pause if you forget a word. For example, I want water.
Perfect.
Smile. Speaking slowly is not wrong. It is smart. Another very important tip: repeat everything many times. Your tongue needs practice. Your brain needs practice. Repeat words. Repeat sentences. Repeat conversations.
Slowly.
Even 5 minutes every day is enough. Slowly, step by step, you will speak without fear. Step 1. Understand your fear. Step 2. Speak slowly. Step 3. Use short sentences. Step 4. Practice real situations. Step 5. Breathe and pause. Step 6. Repeat every day. Now, let's talk about some mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1. Trying to speak too fast. Mistake 2. Worrying about mistakes. Mistake 3. Saying very long sentences. Mistake 4. Not practicing every day. Avoid these, and you will speak English with confidence. Now, a little fun practice. I will say something. You repeat after me slowly. Ready? I like cats. I like dogs. I like coffee. I like tea.
You see?
Slowly, step by step, you are learning English. And you're not afraid. Before we finish, I want to give you some motivation. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. No one is perfect at the beginning. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are your friends. Slow speaking is powerful. One word at a time, step by step. You can do it. And every day, say this to yourself. I can speak English. I am learning. I am improving. Wow, look at you. You have learned so much today. You now know how to speak slowly, how to use short sentences, how to practice daily, how to stay confident, how to speak without fear. And the best part? You can start practicing right now. I want you to comment below. Tell me, what sentence will you practice today? What situation will you try English in? And don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to my channel for more easy English practice. Remember, English is fun, English is simple, and you can do it. Thank you for practicing with me today.
Bye-bye.
Speak slowly, speak confidently, and see you in the next video.